Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Motor Match, and today I'm going to be giving you a 360 exterior and interior tour on this Jaguar XE 2-litre diesel Landmark. This car is a very luxurious car. All our Motor Match cars come with a 30-day warranty or a 1,000-mile warranty, depending on which comes first. However, we also offer an RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years. If you'd like to inquire about this car, you can contact us on 01785 899 474. So to start off with, this car has LED daytime running lights, and just above the Jaguar badge there is a camera, which means this car also has 360 surround cameras. Good, so you can see every angle of this car, as well as 18-inch alloy wheels and a 5 parallel spoke design with a silver finish. Panning up the car, you can see that there is a rear privacy glass in the back of the car. As we take a look at the back seats, you can see that the middle seat folds down to provide 2 cup holders for either passenger, or you could fold it away to carry that 5th passenger. You can also see that the seats are a luxurious black leather upholstery. Moving to the boot now. You can see that this boot is a very spacious boot, and you could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase. Moving to the front of this car now. You can see the leather multifunctional steering wheel, as well as the integrated touch screen. Yet again, we can see that stunning leather interior. This car also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, good for allowing all the natural light possible into the car. As we pan down the seat, you can see the black leather with a contrasting white stitch. These seats offer extra lumbar support, and they are also electronically controlled. That's it for our exterior and interior tour. Let's head inside for some of those high-tech features. So to start off with, the driver's seat is in fact a memory seat. This is good for if this car has multiple drivers. Each driver can resume their natural driving position. All the windows on this car are also electric, as well as the wing mirror controls. You have your multifunctional steering wheel with a heated steering wheel option, as well as cruise control with a built-in speed limiter, good for any journey you may take. You also have your voice control button and your hands-free controls. On your dashboard, you can change what you see on your display. This car has done 20,213 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. Taking a look at your integrated screen now, you have your navigation system, good for helping you plan your journeys. For example, if your car is low on fuel, it suggests petrol stations for you nearby, which can come in very handy if you don't know the area very well. Let's take a look at the 360 cameras now. You can see any angle of the car you like, whether the front and the back camera or the front and the side camera. This can help eliminate any blind spots you may have previously had. You also have your DAB radio, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, enabling you to connect your phone up with great ease, as well as heated seats in the front, good for those cold frosty mornings like it was this morning, as well as configurable ambient lighting, meaning you can change the colour of the interior lights, giving this car a very personal feel. You can see the lights around where you change the gear. You have a dual climate control system, ensuring both passenger and driver are at a comfortable temperature. This car also has a heated window screen, and this worked absolute wonders this morning. It was a very cold and frosty morning. I put the heated windscreen on, and within minutes all the ice had gone. So this is a very luxurious specification. You also have your different driving modes, as well as 2 cup holders which are nicely hidden away, as well as a storage compartment. Thank you for watching this video. All our Motor Match cars come with a 30-day warranty or a 1,000-mile warranty, depending on which comes first. However, we also offer an RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars, as well as flexible finance packages specifically tailored to you. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a province check. For a personalised quote or to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 474.